This video will talk about how to connect our big cat eye to the audio doorbell camera connect to iCam365 app. So when we get this product, we need to connect the camera part to the monitor. And first we need to check with the connect place where they have the dust. If you have dust, you need to use a mouse to blow it and connect in the right direction, and then turn on the monitor part. Okay, when we hear this voice, then we open the iCam365 to connect to the app. If you do not hear the voice, you need to press the reset button about 5 to 8 seconds to reset the doorbell. And now we hear the voice, so open the app, iCam365, click Add Device, and scan the QR code, and input your 2.4G Wi-Fi password. Make sure your Wi-Fi is 4G. And connect next and scan the QR code. Use the camera lens, scan the mobile phone QR code. Okay, and you connect next and waiting to connect to the app. Okay, it's connect successfully, and connect next, and down, and connect log in, and connect live video to check the live view of this product. So thank you for watching this video.